Yo, we're gonna make the best lombata ever seen ever.
Featuring Truffle Chips.
We need to try this beauty. Let's do it now.
So much drying is taking place currently.
Gonna try the other side too. Even,
Man, I got wet from the oil.
yeah, the damn avocado oil.
Motherfucking avocado oil.
Professional. Yeah, it's ready. Let's drop this beauty on the fire.
Yes! It's crazy!
Searing the fat. Look at this beauty. 76,000 pounds of meat.
Look at this beauty. The exact same steak we were cooking before. Delicious.
And something like this can only be followed by a delicious cold beef.